take risk, you can decide to invest. When I'm saying financial planning, I am not going to suggest, nor am I uh, learned enough to suggest where you put your money. It is for no financial institution will tell you where to put your money. But we all know that the money has to be kept in different baskets so that, you know, if if the risks are mitigated, basically. So you can invest in capital market, you can invest in mutual funds, you can invest in fixed deposits, you can invest in senior citizen saving schemes which the government has come up with. 15 lakh rupees is the ceiling for senior citizen saving schemes. The interest is taxable, of course. You can invest in precious metals like gold, whatever it is. Don't buy jewelry, because jewelry is something which the younger generation today is not interested in wearing. If at all you want to buy jewelry or precious metal, buy it in the form of pure gold. वळी जी म्हणतो आपण, आपल्याकडे वळी मिळतात, तर वळं घ्या, if at all you want to. The best could be sovereign gold bonds, where you invest in gold at today's rates, you earn some interest. You can, it's like any other, instrument where you can redeem that. You can decide to sell it off at the market rate at that point in time. Other thing is, if you yourself are not very savvy about investments, go to a good broker. He will charge you some money. The money that he charges you is not great, because it is very difficult for us individuals to keep track of the market every day, every hour, every minute. It's not possible. So take, these what you call expert advice,